This is Deliberately Creative. I'm Stephanie, and I'm so happy that you're here. All right, so I've been camping. I've been soaking in nature. I've been celebrating my birthday, feeling very grateful that you guys are here, feeling very grateful that I can do the creative stuff that I want to do, feeling grateful that my needs are met. I am blessed, and I know that I am blessed, and I feel very grateful for being blessed in that way. I have a house. I have a place to live. I have a way to go camping and be comfortable doing it. And yeah, that's getting out in nature is really, really exciting. I didn't do hardly any art on this trip. What I did is I knitted. Yeah, I'm one of those people. I do so many different things. I worked on my sweater that I'm knitting. I baked a cake while we were camping. Birthday cake by the bay. Long Beach. Yum. And we shared it with Farmer Deb at the Willapa Heritage Farm up on the Long Beach Peninsula. Oh my gosh, such a beautiful place. I'll pop in some clips here. Little goats, beautiful scenery, lovely gardens, just an amazing, restful time. And I think that's what I really needed. I am also getting ready for the big show that's in a couple weeks. At the end of this chatty chat area, I have just a peaceful watching me paint for a little while, watching me cut down things. I'm just going to put some music on at the end and show one of the paintings being painted of the flowers because it's the one that made me cry, and I wanted to just share that with you. It really just came together in such a beautiful way. Yeah, I'm meandering in my happiness right now and procrastinating getting work done. I really should be editing this video already. So that's probably what I'm going to do now. But I just wanted to say thank you so much for being here. I appreciate every one of you watching, sharing the videos, liking the videos, commenting on the videos, because boy, I love to read those happy comments. They make my heart just yeah, and I am feeling so much more up and enjoying life. I've got my breakfast here. I've got coffee, and I'm going to edit and hopefully have this up by noon. Maybe. I don't know. It's already 10:30, isn't it? No, it's only 10 o'clock. I can have this up by noon. I can edit down an hour and a half of video into 30 minutes, right? Really quick. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to pop back in at the end. You just enjoy the rest of the video. Calm, peaceful music. I'll get the artwork ready for the sale. There'll be some stickers being cut out for putting on the packaging. And then there'll be the paint, and I'll have it all time-stamped for you. I'll see you at the next one. Remember, this was Deliberately Creative. I'm Stephanie, and I'm so happy that you're here. Okay, so I had to step in for just a quick minute here. As I'm cutting all 16 of these paintings apart, I know that I've got overlap of paint from one painting to the other painting, and I love it. It ends up looking so cool having those little edges from the other paintings showing up as little surprise colors. Don't be afraid to let your paintings sort of evolve as they get cut apart. I think I want to try doing this type of a painting session again. What do you think? Is this something that you would like to see? Let me know in the comments below.